Good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. I'm TYT, and you're on the vlogs, man. So, I'm up early again. Man, 5 straight days, 7 o'clock catering orders. Man, hopefully I can keep getting these sent to me, man. You know, because I will definitely do them. It gets me up out of the house, you know, starts my day off with a decent amount. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, it gets me out of, you know, well, not out of, but then I don't have to DoorDash and stuff as long as I probably would have if I didn't have that. So, the catering, so, is what it is. Like nowadays, you know, do you know how long it takes to make $20? Jeez. Man, yesterday, I made, like yesterday evening, 20, like in an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, made $27. It was a bad showing, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna turn my shop and deliver on today, guys, but I'm headed to the catering order. Sit back, relax, and strap it down. Come along as I go throughout the day being TYT, man. You know, kick this day off with a bang. Wow. So, you know, you rush to get to these restaurants sometime, and then as soon as I get there, this Swatley's is always like that. Like, they're never done. Like, they make the order right when you get there. And they had 3 orders, and then the guy that was doing it, you know, I walk in, he's like, you pick it up? I'm like, yeah, Easy Cater. He's like, oh, Easy Cater, okay. I'm trying to tell him the number or which one I have. So then, you know, I gotta go to the bathroom, so I'm like, okay, whatever. So I'm heading towards the bathroom, and he's like, which one is that? Well, I have 3. Like, dude, I was trying to tell you which one I had. But people don't want to listen to you like they, you know, it's not their fault, it's just human nature, you know what I mean? Like, you know, he's trying to get the orders together because it's 3. There was another guy, he was there before me. He was just sitting there in his car. His pickup was after mine. That's why I don't show up early, because you seem like you be sitting there forever. But and with the catering orders, you can't drop them off early. Like, you can only drop them off like 10 to 15 minutes early, no more than that. But got the order and everything though, man. So go ahead and drop this off and see if we can get this day cracking, man, because this weekend it's supposed to be snowing. It's supposed to snow really bad, man. But it was something I wanted to talk about yesterday, so I'll just go ahead and get into it right now, man. So I'll list this way, of course, you know, that's where I'm gonna get a lot of my topics from. But and then, you know, the question came up, like, okay, do you shower before bed or do you shower in the morning? Then it was like, when you shower, do you like, do you know, like if you shower, like Sway was saying, he said he showers at night most of the times. That he wears underwear, the same underwear that he wears to bed, he wears, you know, the next day. You know what I mean? And Heather B was like, nah, like, how can you wear the same underwear that you know, slept in the next day? And I kind of feel that, you know, but it was just crazy. It started up a huge conversation, you know, but I get it. And then most females, they called in, they said, well, they sleep commando, and then so they don't have to worry about that. But me myself, like, you know, I like to shower before bed. I do. You know, it helps me relax and go to sleep and all that stuff. But then again, like, I mean, morning showers like wake you up type thing too. So I get both sides. but let me know in the comments, man. What do you guys do? Do you shower before bed or in the morning? All right, guys. So, man, I'm just out here getting it. It's just crazy because, like, man, it's been really, 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 really difficult to make money out here lately, guys. And, you know, I've been talking a lot about shop and deliver and how I don't want to do it. And then, like, I was watching some video with my guy, Zosh. And, you know, he's telling a story about, like, why he had quit YouTube a couple years ago or whatever. And, like, what had happened, like, the full story, you know. He kind of gave us a gist of it in the past, but he just went ahead and told the whole story. But anyway, he was talking about, you know, a certain part of, he was talking about pride. You know, he was like, man, you know, like sometimes, you know, pride is not good for you. You know what I'm saying? And that's how, like, I feel what a lot of delivery drivers is like, man, like, you got a little too much pride, man. Like, you know, I'm not doing that delivery. You know, like, you have to do deliveries to make money. You know what I mean? And they add up and they average out. You know what I mean? So I was kind of feeling his conversation. But then I kind of talked to myself. I'm like, man, like, dude, I was trying to get in front of you so I can get over. Like, people don't know how to drive. Like, you don't see the goddamn thing coming. Gosh. And then he's still driving. People, guys. People. You see the ambulance coming. You got to get over. Just move over. Just stop. Didn't take no time. That little stop was quicker than stopping at a stop sign. But anyway, guys, pride. Man, that hit home because I'm like, I started thinking to myself, I'm like, man, do I have too much pride when it comes to this shop and deliver? And the reason, like, I don't like doing shop and delivers is because, like, DoorDash takes advantage of you on this. Like, they don't pay like Spark and, you know, Instacart and all those other ones. You know, you could do shop and delivers all day long and not make what you probably should make on those orders or what you would make on those other apps. It's just crazy, man. And then, you know, with DoorDash, like, you know, they just play too many games. And then I just would rather deliver food, but food delivery seems to be non-existent on DoorDash lately, in like the last month or so. Like, I've never like driven so far and not even get a ding. So I'm going the right way. So yeah, guys, I think I need to swallow my pride and start doing shopping delivers. We'll see. Hey guys, I got the worst luck in the world right now, man. Worst luck in the world. Like, I got this delivery, you know, $12 or something like that. You know, I seen double digits and I was like, yes. You know, easy pickup from McDonald's. Easy pickup. But then I come to this damn train, like this train just stopped. It just stopped. But then another one just came from the other direction and just went past real fast. It's gone. And this one is still sitting here. Just my luck, y'all. Just my luck. Like, first I couldn't get any deliveries. Now I have a delivery, and now I can't deliver it because I'm sitting here stuck by a train that's not moving, and I can't go nowhere. It's a car right here. Like, this is frustrating the hell out of me, guys. Like, I'm about to lose it. I'm about to lose it. And then the train don't look like it's gonna start moving at all. In the middle of a delivery, y'all. in the middle of a delivery. I can't win for losing. I can't win. This is crazy. Hey guys, so I found one street down, came one street down, and look like we're good. But everybody's doing what I'm doing, so it's gonna be hell trying to get out of here, but my goodness. Welcome to the life of your boy. Man. It's been a wild day, you know, but I guess, you know, compound on, you know, like how the rest of the week has been, it just seems worse than it actually is. It's just like, oh, no, just another bad day of the week. But, you know, I'm still, you know, making money and stuff like that, man. You know, it's not like it was yesterday where, you know, like lunch hour hit and it just straight died. Like I couldn't get nothing. Like, not like a bad delivery. I couldn't get nothing. So, you know, and that was just, it was just kind of, you know, just like a hit to my pride or whatever. Just not, and not so much even like pride. It's just like, damn, you know, I go out and start the day with $170, and then after that, like, even in the evening time, like, I made some money, but I didn't make the money that I should have made. Not even probably. I didn't make the money that I should have made. I mean, and it was just because I wasn't getting deliveries. It wasn't that, you know. So at least I started off so good, so where I didn't have to, where, you know, I still hit 200, but I think I should have hit 300 yesterday easy. I think I should have hit 300 easily. You know, I should have made at least $30 in that lunch hour. That'd have been 200. That was my plan. You know, between 12 and 2 is what I'm saying, thinking about. But, you know, but I had all that time up until 3 o'clock. And then the rest of the evening, I should have been able, or during the evening, I should have made another $100. So, but I don't even think I made $100 in the evening yesterday. I think I made close to like 80 or something like that. No. It was like $30 or $40 that I made. Cause I ended up with like $210. So yeah, $40. But with all that being said though, guys, I just been really stressed out. Like it's just no other way to put it. I just been really stressed out. It's because I'm doing everything that I think that I should be doing, you know, to make the money, you know, and I'm just hitting my minimums. And it's frustrating. You know, it's like, I don't like comparing Arizona to here, but when I was in Arizona and, you know, and I needed more money than I was actually getting, I would just stay out later and I would make what I needed to make. That's not the case here, guys. Like, you know, but I still am able to make good money here, but it's just changing. And I just been so stressed because it's like, man, you know, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. So then here in comes the frustration. And then, so yeah, we have the frustration. And then combine that with everything else that's going on in my life. You know, I'm not the only person in the house. You know, like, I don't even have like my own room or anything, like where, you know, like when I was in Arizona, like when I would get overwhelmed, I would just go into my record room and just close the door and just lay there and play some music or whatever. Then not being bothered, you know what I mean? But it's different here, like when, you know, and then being with Ray, like she's you know, she's concerned. She's concerned, you know, when I'm not in a good mood, and she, you know, just, you know, don't. I'm trying to put it. Like, she know that I don't want to be bothered, but she's still going, you know, let me know that she's concerned, basically. You know, I don't know another way to say it without sounding like, you know what I mean? But anyway, but yeah, man, I'm thinking I just need to go somewhere alone by myself for like a weekend, a couple of days, something. I think that's what I need, guys, because, like, you know, work is hard and it's very frustrating just with all the stuff that I just explained. But, you know, I'm just the type of person, like, I just don't let that stuff bother me. I just keep pushing. But then again, it's like, man, how long do you go with the keeping and pushing without getting the results that you want? You know what I mean? But that's just where I'm at right now, man. Like, I just need a woosah. It used to be the gym, but that's frustrating to me now too, because the last week I haven't been even playing like I'm normally used to playing in the gym. What's good? What's good? What's good, fam? Man, so I'm at home. Like, it's been going pretty good today. Really, really good today, you know? Like, I cannot complain at all. I have no complaints, guys. Like, today has been amazing. Like, normal. Like, I have. Hi, Caddy. She just comes sneaking in out the window. Hey, up, little girl. But anyway, so I can't complain at all, man. Today has been really amazing. So I'll let you mugs in a little bit, man. I need to go to the bathroom. Man, I'm about this place, man. I've been at home since, it's like 5:30 right now, since like 5. Man, it's just so slow in the, you know, with the weather, they've been having everybody going crazy. DoorDash done put up a peak pay for $2 until 11:30 tomorrow. So right when that email popped up, my DoorDash went silent. Like, I was popping off before that, but I already hit 200 already. So, you know, I ain't tripping. But I am out here on the grind trying to hit more than that, you know what I'm saying? But, and I ain't getting nothing. So, I just got a Grubhub, so I'm headed out to go do that one now, man. But, hell of a Friday, man, hell of a Friday. Man, so we supposed to be prepping for a snowstorm, and there's salt everywhere on the ground and stuff. And like, in my mind, I just didn't believe that it was gonna snow, and even like snow that bad when they said it was. But now here comes the flurries, and they're coming fast, man. Like, it wasn't nothing just a minute ago, and then I seen the first few flurries, but now, you know, you starting to see them. You can actually see the snow and hear it hit. So it's probably gonna be like another hour or so out here for me, and then that's gonna be it. Then it's gonna be time for me to pick up Ray from work, guys. So, man, I'm having a hell of a day today, man. Yesterday was good, but then, you know, just with the time and all that, it was kind of trash. Like, I could have quit at 12 o'clock and been happy, you know what I'm saying? Not getting that extra $40 that I got. This dude is ill. Like, what are you doing? What's to you? What's to you, my boy? Anyway, man, I'm gonna go ahead and drive safely, y'all. I'll catch y'all a little bit, man, and show y'all some of the snow if we get some. What's good, fam? Man, so I just been sitting here, man, like, work just straight died down on me. So I've been here for probably about an hour. Just got through watching Gold Rush. But now I need to get my butt up and go get ready. It's 8:30. Normally I'll probably leave at like 8:45, but it's all this snow and stuff out here, man. So I'm gonna go and get the car cleaned off and everything. It's crazy out here, man. It's just crazy. Guys, check it out. Check it out. Hey. Let it snow outside. Okay, all right, I said no. Look at the snow out here, man. It's crazy. But it ain't as crazy as they've been saying. Like, if it was a like real snowstorm, like, it would be like more snow on the ground right now, even though in an hour that's what accumulated. Man, but I'm just starting to kyle up real quick. I need to get my butt on down the road. But that's the snow status, y'all. Look at my fila prints. Highway empty, guys. Highway empty. And one car. They don't want to get out the car. It's cold. It's a winter wonderland, guys. Winter wonderland. Winter wonderland. Man, look at the truck, man. It got snow. Got snow. We got snow. It's getting kind of thick though, y'all. It's getting kind of thick. I'm thinking that I should at least bought some salt, some rock salt. But it's all good. It's all good. In the house we go, guys. My card is running down, so holla at you, mugs.
To make your best fashion yet. Exotic Old American's fashion for $6 today. Are you Marsha? Thanks for meeting me here. Usually not an easy weapon. Barely ever use this phone shooter.
She gonna have to wait till the morning, because I know she gonna want that.
I hate this thing,
But I know she already went out.
but 100 bond when you get ready. Get ready?
It's snowing outside. Everybody's so excited about the snow. Sasha came and got her coat. And I think she grabbed her boots too, but you know, who knows? Who knows? After work activities, y'all know I'm just straight chilling, man. You know, Cato over there straight chilling.
Because we ran out and we need.
Caddy, say hello to the vlog.
And we need one more coat.
Caddy.
So I'm gonna try to see if they can
Caterpillar.
as quickly as possible.
It's like, take that and rewind it back. Just watching some tube editing on both channels. Man, it feels like I haven't closed this computer, guys. I have not closed this computer at all. I haven't closed it since it started working. It's been sitting here open. And it's been a blessing, guys. So I'm able to get videos up to you guys fast. So that's why I've been like pumping videos out on this channel, because it's, you know, I'm editing that video, I'm editing this video, you know. It don't take too much time, like, cause like right on this computer here, I mean, these files from
It is what it is, man. Nothing we can complain about. As long as it's done, as long as stuff ain't getting better.
I'm messing up, guys. I'm messing up. Because I got the big card, you know, like the big thing like this, in this camera, instead of using this thing with the small card to put in there. So now I need to figure out how to get files to that computer from this card, because that's the same video. It's the same video. My other card is full, and instead of me just deleting the files off, I mean, you know, the old ones that's already uploaded, I just took this one out of my other camera. You know what I mean? What I've been doing, but yeah, man, I'm just sitting here chilling though. I'm gonna go look through my stuff, see if I can find. I have to have something that I can use.
What?
Y'all see how she always come in and butt in and